Okay, now we will introduce the chloropolysis body slimming machine. This is the working heads for the working handles. Total there are 13 pieces, okay? We have different sizes, small pieces, medium pieces, and the big pieces, okay? Total 13. And this is the filter bar for the working handle. And this is the leak-proof stripe, okay? And this is the rubbers for the working heads, okay? And the fat caliper. And this is the working handles. This is a small one, 2 pieces for the medium one, and 1 piece for the big, okay? And this is the anti-freezing membranes, water cup, and the tube, and the power line. Now we will install well the working handle. Okay, the first step, we will need to use this rubber to insert here. Please match the. Second step, we will use the filter foam, put here. And the last step, use this leak-proof strip. We need to make sure this part is installed well because the liquid, to avoid the liquid rush back to the working handle. Okay, after the rubber installed well, we will put this handle cup on the working handle like this. Match the position, and the last step, we will use this part and then tie it, and the same operation. Okay, when the wastewater is full beyond to the 3/4 of this bottle, we have to clean the wastewater inside. Okay, now I will teach how to replace this bottle. Okay, first step, we should use finger to push this position, and then you hear the sound. You can pull out of this black button and then operate like this. Okay, the bottle will be loose from the machine. Okay, we can clean the wastewater inside, and after that, we should put the wastewater bottle here, and then operate like this. Match the right position. Okay, match the right position. Okay, after that, we should tighten this black button, and then press. Okay, it is no problem. And others are the same operation. Okay, before we start this machine, we have to inject full water inside. Okay, now I will teach how to inject the water. This is the water inlet hole, okay, and water outlet hole. This is the water overflow hole. Now we should insert 2 holes at the same time. Okay, the first hole is the water inlet hole. We should press this silver button first and make sure the tip is up, and then we should inject the water cup and the tube into this hole. Okay, you will hear the sound. Okay, when you want to remove this tube, just press this silver button and then pull out. It is okay. Okay, and another hole that we should insert to the water overflow hole. That means when the water is full inside, the water will be come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, now we inject water. And please make sure that when you first start this machine, we should inject full water inside. It means that we should inject the water until the water come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, When you don't need to use this machine, we have to release the water inside. And now we should inject 2 holes. One is the water inlet hole, and another is the water outlet hole. This one, okay? Press, and then insert this tube. Then water will come out from the water outlet hole. Okay, then next step we will install the working handle, okay? Before installation, we have to press the white button here. These 2 sides, okay? Press. And then make sure these 2 tips are up, okay? Then we should match the hole. Match the hole and press. You will hear the sound. Okay, then it is finished. And when we want to remove this working handle, the same operation, press the white button first and then pull out. It is okay. And other working handles are the same. Okay, now we will start the machine. Just press the silver button here. Okay, you can choose the language. When you enter into this screen, we can set the parameters. Okay, like this is the mode option, okay? Here's the continue modes and the pause mode. You can choose by yourself, okay? And the vacuum pressure, you can increase or decrease. But normally we will suggest that we can start from the lower level, like 25 kPa, and increase according to your clients. Okay, and this is the temperatures adjustment. You can decrease, and the lowest temperature can reach to -16. Okay, and here's the treatment time setting. Normally 60 minutes, but for the 15 minutes we can use the continue mode, and the last 10 or 5 minutes use the pause mode for muscle relaxing, okay? And after setting, just press the stop button. It is okay. Okay, before doing the treatment, we have to put the anti-freezing membranes on the treatment part. Okay. We should make sure that the membranes contact the treatment parts completely, okay? After setting the parameters on the operation screen, we should put the working handle, okay? Put the working handle on the treatment part. And then press the white button on the working handle. Then the treatment will be started.